Hi all, welcome to the new video of Be an Expert. Today I am going to explain an important feature in Microsoft Office Excel, that is how we can set header and footer in a professional way. So before starting my class, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications while I am uploading new videos into my channel. Okay, shall we start? Everyone knows that what is header and footer. So header is an area at the top margin, okay, above the top margin. Okay, header is an area above the top margin and the footer is an area below the bottom margin. Okay, so when we need header and footer, suppose if we want to set some information common to all pages, for example name of report, date, page number of pages, etc. Okay, so I'm going to explain how to set header and footer in a professional way. So first open Excel. Okay. So after opening Excel, save your file in any location. So I'm going to save my file in D drive, okay, with file name my file. Okay, I just saved my file with a file name my file where in D drive. Okay, we can see the file name at the title bar. Okay, that is my file. Okay, after saving, type some records on your sheet. Okay, for example I'm going to type the register number, name and mark. Register number 195514-1, okay, 195514-2 and 3. Name Geetu Ansari Vikas. Mark 450, 540, then 650. Okay, I just typed the records of 3 students. Okay, so how to set header and footer in a professional way? So to do so, choose Insert tab. Okay, under Insert tab, choose Text option. Under that text option, you can see an header and footer option. Okay. The header section contains the 3 parts. Okay, the left section, center section and the right section. Okay, as well as the footer part also contains a left section, center section and the right section. Okay, we can exchange the header and footer by using the options go to header and go to footer. Okay, suppose if you want to set a page number at the left side of header. Okay, so type ampersand within a bracket. So it's a square bracket. Within bracket, type page. Okay, it displays 1. Okay, so we have to learn a command ampersand page. That page is enclosed within a bracket. So it is a command to display the page number, okay, in the header or footer part. Okay, so we have to write down this code: ampersand square bracket, within square bracket type a text like page. Okay, it displays a page number. In the center section, I want to display the number of pages. So type ampersand within square bracket, type pages. Okay, it displays the number of pages. Suppose if my workbook contains 20 sheets, 20 pages, so it displays 20. Okay, what is the difference between page and pages? Page displays the page number and the pages displays the total number of pages. Okay, suppose if you want to display a date at the right section of header, so type ampersand within a square bracket, type date. Okay, it displays the date. Okay, then I'm going to swap to the footer part. If you want to display the time, type ampersand within bracket, type time. Displays 10:14 p.m. So this is the current time. Okay. Ampersand path displays D drive. D means I just saved my file into the D drive, so it displays the path. Suppose if you want to display the path plus the file name, so ampersand within square bracket path, again type ampersand square bracket file. So completely the path and file name. Okay, so what is the command? Ampersand path ampersand file. Okay, displays the path along with file name. Okay, then here I am going to display ampersand tab. Ampersand tab. It displays the name of the sheet. Okay, what is the name of sheet? Sheet 1. Okay, I'm going to change the name of the sheet to master. Okay, so here changed. So ampersand within square bracket tab displays the name of the sheet. So how to exit from the header and footer section? So click on the sheet. Okay. Just click on the sheet. In this view, we can see the header part as well as the records. Okay, suppose if you want to display the records only, so click on the normal view, switch to normal view. Okay, there is a shortcut to switch to the normal view, that is Alt VN. Press Alt VN. Okay, the sheet will switch to the normal view. Okay, if you want to display the records along with the header and footer information, switch the view of the sheet to the page layout. So click on the page layout option displayed at the sheet view controls. Okay, page layout option. The page layout option displays the header information along with the records. Okay, the normal view displays the records only. Okay, what is the shortcut? Alt VN. Alt VN. Okay, we can also set the header and footer by pressing the Ctrl F2, then choose page setup, then header and footer, then choose custom header to type the left section, center section and the right section. Okay, we can set footer by clicking on the custom footer. Here we can see the left section of footer, center section and the right section. Okay. If you want to set some text information along with this data, header data, so type, for example, if I want to set page number is equal to page number. Okay, so page number is equal to, okay, ampersand within square bracket page. So it displays like this, page number is equal to 1. Here we can set within double quotes, number of pages is equal to ampersand pages. Okay. So that's all. So I think you understood the settings. Okay, so thank you, bye.